Do you think 20,000 naira a month is too small to build wealth? Think again. In this video, I'll show you what really happens when you invest 20,000 monthly in money mutual fund here in Nigeria. We'll break down the actual numbers, the returns, and how this works. Do you know that simple monthly habits of saving 20,000 naira can completely change your finances, even on a low income? Forget, it's not only for the rich. Even if you are earning on a low income, it works for everybody. You see why saving isn't enough and why investment makes the difference. I will show you in this video. Just stick with me because the results will surprise you. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what happens when you invest 20,000 naira monthly in money mutual fund. I will break down the numbers, the potential returns, and the shocking difference between saving and investing. 20,000 money mutual fund investment, real result. That's the goal. My name is Betty, and if you're seeing my face for the very first time, welcome to Betty Money Tips. On this channel, we learn how to save wisely and invest smartly. Please don't forget to subscribe, press that notification bell, and like my video. So let's start like this. What is money mutual fund? A lot of people doesn't know what money mutual fund is. It's like you and me gathering all our resources, putting our resources together, our money together, and we give it to be managed by professionals who are knowledgeable in that field to invest in things like stock, bonds, or treasury bills. Instead of you investing all the money inside stock or treasury bill or bond, you put your resources together and give it to professionals. They will now put it in a pool or basket and invest in all those assets. So instead of you doing it by yourself, you give it to an expert who has knowledge over the years in this. The best part is that in Nigeria, you can start as little as 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira to 100,000 naira to 50,000 naira. Any amount that you have is never too small. As every month comes by, you top it up with a stated amount that you have in mind. What happens when you invest 20,000 monthly in money mutual fund? This is exactly what will happen. Let's do the maths. If you invest 10,000 every month, that is 240,000 a year. But instead of keeping it in a regular savings account that will yield you 4% interest or less, and they will still remove all the charges, all that charges, it's better you put it in a money mutual fund that earns you between 17 to 22% per annum. That is yearly, depending on the fund and the market condition at that time, because the market is volatile. For example, let's say the mutual fund, for this case, earning is 12% per year for this end, but you earn more than, you earn up to 22%, you earn up to 22% yearly. Year one, you invest 240k that you save up for 1 year. You remember. Your return is roughly 15 to 18,000 naira, depending on compounding and fund fees you are paying for those managing your money. Your total value could be around 255,000 or 260,000 naira. Then now multiply this by 3 years. You have invested 720,000 naira in total. If you invest earnings and compound, your fund could grow to 820,000 naira to 850,000 naira after the end of that 3 years, even more in a good market. The real benefit of money mutual fund is like this. It is not just about the returns. The thing here is that it's about the extra naira that return back to you, not the same with like the regular savings account. It's about building an habit. It's about having access to professional management and beating inflation, because over the years you will beat inflation other than you having the money in the regular savings account and the purchasing power keep on reducing. While your 20,000 in a savings account loses value, your investment in a mutual fund with 20,000 naira is working, is earning money, earning interest. You are turning a simple monthly amount into wealth over time. If you are ready to begin, here are popular mutual funds provider in Nigeria. Stanbic IBTC Mutual Funds offers money market and equity funds. We have ARM mutual funds. They are easy for beginners if you're just starting. We have FBN Quest Asset Management. They are consistent in their returns. We have Meristem. They are good for tracking your fund. Most of this lets you invest and monitor your account via online or your mobile phone. You can access all this I've listed on your mobile phone. There are some mistakes you need to avoid. Please, before you rush in, here are a few things you to avoid. Don't expect overnight riches. Don't ignore the fund's fee. Check the fact sheet. That means you are paying, the fee you pay for those managing your fund is between 1 to 1.5%. Check it for before you start. Don't invest blindly. Understand the fund objective. Understand your own goal as well. Also, avoid investing in funds that don't match your goals. Get a goal, set goal before you start investing. Then it's for short-term safety. When you are a low appetite, risk appetite person, that means you cannot take high risk. Go for money mutual fund. Then for anybody that wants to try the long term, they can also go for other investment as well. On the final note, can 20,000 Naira really do all those things I've said? Yes. It can create discipline in you because every month you are doing it. It creates growth because the money is growing. And financially, you have peace of mind over time because in the next 3 years, 5 years, when you look at your investment, you are smiling, your future too is applauding you. It may look small today, but after 1 year, 2 years, or even 10 or 20 years, it becomes something powerful. The shocking result is not just in the fund, it is the habit you are building. Discipline, growth. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumb up and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below if you will try investing with 20,000 Naira monthly. Let's talk. And let me hear your opinion if you already started. Don't forget to check the description for links to mutual fund platforms you can start with. Start with 20,000 Naira today. See you in my next video.